So upper part between the sunroom metal roof and the rest of the roof has not had a gutter on it since the project started in September. They've come out a couple of times. First thing they did is removed the gutter that was working just fine on the side of the house, which is now allowing water to come in. If you just pour down, it's pulling up really, really badly. It's probably screwed up the walkway. There is now some warpage going on. My concern is that's damage to the wood that's behind there because there's nothing to divert the water. And the main issue that they're having is they're saying they cannot find a gutter to replace the gutter that was previously in this spot. This big ass gutter here has been sitting out here for most of the winter. Nice sharp edges for the dogs to cut their feet open on. And I think these are the gutters that they were going to attempt to put up last time. And those didn't work for whatever reason. And the issue is, it's hard to see, but this sunroom now is completely waterlogged because of all the excess water that's been pouring on the roof.